welcome back to my channel. It's Nelly. I'm like currently waiting for babe to come and get me. Said babe, like whatever, boyfriend, yes. But currently waiting. Oh look, they're watching. They're watching. Hold on. Look, you guys, they're watching. But anyways, yeah, it's a little nippy out here. So I brought my jeans jacket and I have on this orange one piece with some ripped jeans from Fashion Nova, because like those are the only jeans that really fit me really well, because like I don't know, it's kind of weird. But yeah, and then I paired it off with like some, I don't know if you can see it, Pumas, yeah. So yeah, anyways, yeah, so we're actually on our way to go see some friends. It's his birthday today, so yeah, we'll let you guys know how that goes. So yeah, I'm going to go with him to his friend's birthday party. It's at a bowling alley, so you know. Oh, all these bugs around here. Whew. Okay, but yeah, that's where I'm going. You guys, it is breezy. I'm tired. I didn't get to take a nap today. I got home really late last night. You'll see why when I upload a new vlog video, and you guys will see why I had a really long ass night. I have bags underneath my eyes. You can like definitely see it. Yeah, and then like I'm breaking out, like it's because it's the heat. Like it's so warm out, and my face starts to like break out from like heat bumps and stuff like that. So we're gonna get that right down. Like we're gonna get that right. But yeah, oh my god, there's like this cat staring at me. But yeah, just waiting. I'm actually hungry too, like very hungry. I don't know how they would feel about me recording. So I mean, I feel like this would be like really good stuff to record, because you know it's a surprise get together. So you know, I mean, why wouldn't anybody want to, you know, have like a surprise film and then post it for the world to see? But yeah, oh my god, you guys, I want to say thank you. Hey you guys! Okay, so we're on our way to go to the bowling alley, and here are all his friends. Say hi, you guys!
Shout out to all the people.
You guys could put your Instagram names in.
Yo, so follow me at Chrissy the Black, 2 S's.
Okay.
Follow me at oldboy_Cal and ColdCalVids.
Okay.
Oh, at _ Why Not Paul.
Okay.
Yo, I got a YouTube channel for him.
Oh my goodness.
You already know me. I'm chilling. Yeah, Phantom Gamers. Yo, you'll find me. Skyfilm X.
Okay.
I'm ColdCal on YouTube.
Oh, that's what.
Okay. Alright, you guys. So he's whipping in the mom van as usual.
I got beats too. Follow me on SoundCloud, ZiriBeatz.
All right. Well, okay. So I don't really have anything going on with my life besides just sitting here. So, yeah, I don't really have nothing going on with my life. So you guys could just follow me on Instagram.
Also develop apps too. If you need an app.
Also, yeah, everybody's really smart.
I do UI design and everything.
Right.
Bring out the suit and tie.
That's a good little side hustle though.
Yeah. That's what I've been trying to.
Wait, is this a surprise still?
Yeah, it's still a sip. I think.
So is everybody still there? Everybody's there?
No, I don't think Usman. Is Usman there yet? Usman's definitely there. Like,
oh, he's there?
Usman probably busy. Usman probably standing there like Will at the end of Fresh Prince. Like, oh, where everybody at?
What? Oh, so it's not really a surprise.
Nah, it's a surprise because we don't know we coming.
It's like a reverse surprise. Okay.
It wasn't supposed to be like this. We were supposed to get there before.
Is the light green?
Well, yeah.
Green, yo.
Damn.
Yo, who beat?
So right. So it's like a reverse. Okay, apparently he's there. All right, but that's kind of weird. But we will see y'all later.
Chris, I told you, let me drive the boat. But yeah. But yo, I told him, I was like, yeah, you shouldn't wait for him. Okay, but
we are here. Oh, my voice, y'all. We are here. Almost tripped. Guess look at my bag. My bag is so cute. Look at these stairs. Jesus Christ. Ooh. Thanks. Thank you. Ooh, look how nice it looks. Can you just look Let's see he's here. Say hi, you guys. He almost died. He was like, oh my goodness. So you guys, this is how it looks inside. Babe, you looking? Hey, you. Say hi.
Hi guys.
Put your Instagram.
Follow me at Track Fiend. Spelled wrong, but follow me still.
What are you drinking?
I don't do beer.
What's that? What's that? What's that?
Oh. Yo, I don't know what it's called, but it got some fava on it.
Ooh,
some pineapple.
You wanna give your Instagram?
Huh?
Huh?
What happened?
You wanna give your Instagram?
Oh, do I want to get on your Instagram? Sure, why not?
No, do you wanna give your Instagram name?
Damn, what is it? It's at NAMSU DB.
Okay, cool, cool. So yeah, we're all for him. We're here for him today. Woo-hoo.
And my cousin.
Oh, does he mind being filmed? I don't wanna. Hi. Do you mind being filmed? On my vlog? No? Okay, I'm Nelly, by the way. Huh?
Muhammad or Junior.
Okay, so hi. Which one does he look like? How's the food? How's the food?
It's good, it's good. I got a drink too.
We ate like a whole thing. I had steak tacos. Woo!
Get me my man.
That's some alcoholics.
You ain't know. And I got the beer too.
Oh hell no. I am super full. I got a full baby and everything. And I'm losing actually. I've got only 44 points and everybody else is getting like strikes and stuff and just crazy. Look at this. This makes no sense.
Give them more for this.
But if I do
Look at this. He is a beast. Look at that. A beast. Let's go, Kels. Oh. Got her ball. Woo! That was smooth. Let's go, Usman! That was me? Watch the master.
Yeah, right.
So Jake's is winning right now.
Right. I'm being on the up. And she about to gutter too.
You're 8 points behind.
Right.
That ball was way too heavy.
You're still losing.
Shut up.
Still losing.
Shut up. Wait, where are you? Oh, yeah. I'm gonna beat you. I'm gonna beat you.
Now, because I'm going to make sure I win. I'm make sure I beat you.
Loser! Oh, wait. Come on. Oh, there we go. Wow. Wow. Winner. Okay. Happy birthday. Oh, how cute. It's his girlfriend, by the way. What's happening?
I think they're getting free wings. You get free wings. Wings?
Wait, so it's gonna leave? Wait. You guys are so cute. How's the cake? How's the cake?
It's good.
Is it good? What kind of flavor is it? Is it ice cream?
Yeah.
Woo! Ice cream. Ooh. Wow, fatties. All y'all are fat asses.
Yeah, you gotta get some
Oh my god.
food though.
Yeah,
So you want
I want it.
Big fat. I don't
Oh
care.
my god. Where is this going? Oh my goodness.
I want cake. I want a piece of cake. Who wants a piece of cake?
Okay. You enjoying it? Oh my god, 2 weeks. Having fun?
Hell yeah.
I did not see that, you guys. Look, how cute is that? Oh, hey. And after the showing.